So today, you'll learn how to overlay videos in CapCut PC or Mac. So the first step is to launch CapCut, then you want to click on the option Create Project. Once you've done that, you should see this window appearing on your screen, which then allows you to start editing. So the next step is to import the videos, and to do that, come to the Import section and click on this plus button. This will open the File Explorer, and you want to navigate to where your videos are. Once you've found them, you want to simply select them, and they should be added here. If you want to import 3 videos, you can just click on Import, then choose the other videos that you're going to be using. Once you've selected them, you want to start by adding the first video to your timeline. So select the video and then tap on this plus icon, and the video will be added onto the timeline. Alternatively, you can always just drag and drop the video here. So once you've added the first video to the timeline, you can then even go further by customizing it. So on these handles here, you can make the video shorter by cutting it, or you can just make it slightly longer if you want to. So it's completely up to you to customize this video. And then once you're finished with the customizations, it's time to add the overlay. To add the overlay, go back to this media section, and then on the second video, you want to click on this plus icon to add track. So wherever this timeline is where the track will be added. So you can choose to add it at the beginning or at the end. It's completely up to you. Just ensure that where you're adding it, the timeline is where it is. So let's say, for example, I want to add it at the beginning. That's where I'll put that. And then I can click on this plus icon, and you can see the track has been added at the beginning. So again, you can customize this to your liking. It's completely up to you. And once you finish your customizations, it's time to overlay it. To do that, it's fairly simple. You want to click on the track, and then you want to drag it all the way to the top layer like that, so that it's resting on top of the other track like that. Once you've done that, you can see now you have the 2 tracks just ready for us. So you see the first track, which is the overlay track at the top, and you have the second track underneath it. So you'll notice that you can only see one track, you can't see the other, and this is because the first track is hiding it. So if you want to be able to view both tracks, you want to scale them. So to do that, select the overlay track like that, and then you can scale it by using these handles on the preview, and you can make it smaller so it looks something like that. And so now whenever you play the video, you can see the background, which is the first track, and the top option, which is the overlay. So when you play the video, that's how it would look like if you've chosen to use my option. Alternatively, you can always choose to scale using this scale option. So ensure that you're under your video settings, and then select the track. And then you want to use this scale slider to adjust it to your liking until you find the perfect position. You can even choose to move the track around until you find the perfect place. And then when you're happy, you can now just play it and see if you like how it looks like. Thank you for watching. If you have